Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup and export Salesforce leads with data export, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type data export. Select data export from the drop-down list. Choose export now for an immediate data export. If you prefer to schedule your exports, select Schedule Export. Set your preferred frequency and time for the scheduled export. Under the Select Data to Export section, locate the option for leads. Check the box next to leads to include them in your export. Optionally, you can choose to include related records by checking their respective boxes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Next. Review the summary of your export selections to ensure accuracy. Click Start Export to begin the process. For scheduled exports, click Save to confirm your settings. Once the export is complete, you will receive an email with a download link. Log into your email to retrieve the download link. Click the link to download your exported data. The data will typically be in a .zip file format. Extract the .zip file to access the exported leads in CSV format. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Verify the data to ensure it meets your needs. Save or share the file as necessary for your records or further analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.